Hello my friends, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if your Beats headphones are what they are supposed to be and they are not faked. This is a very short tutorial on how to check if your product is original, if you want, and you don't end up paying for a pair of cheap clones from China or I don't know, wherever they build clones. So these are the Beats Power Beats 3 wireless. This tutorial is for wireless headphones only. You're gonna need a PC or a laptop. You're gonna need the headphones and also a USB cable. First of all, you need to go to the Beats site and download this program called Beats Updater. And after you download it, install it and run it. You're gonna get something like this. So this is the program. Just take your USB cable, connect it to the headphones that you want to check, and this is what's gonna happen. So as you can see, the program recognized my headphones. These are the Powerbeats 3, the exact same color, because they will match up the result with the headphones that you have. I'm gonna show you the battery level, and also it's gonna tell you if there is any new software update available for the product. So a very simple yet very useful method to check if your headphones are not fake. And this applies to every single wireless headphones made by Beats using this little tool called Beats Updater. You can also check that they are not fake with, how should I say, the traditional method by using the email code that you get right here on this cable. But this is the simplest one and actually the best one that I know. This pretty much does it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.